Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host P Fire, aka P's are good, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that you already know by now what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go around the camera, come back in, and we're gonna get to it. So let's do it. Open up my eyes, I'll still be, oops, sorry guys, singing there. Let me just give you the full thing. Let me give you the twirl to the RJ, twirl to the RJ, RJ to the twirl, you know what I'm saying? You already know how we do it, so let's get into it, guys. Today we have this vintage Stone Island denim jacket. Shall we get into it? I think we should. Let's get into it, guys. There's my waist, you already know what it do, what it don't, and there's the jacket. So the jacket comes right to my waist, right on my waist. As this is a vintage piece, you know, they're a bit more boxy, as you can see, and yeah, so right on the waist, super nice. I'm just gonna button up so you can see wagwan, and then we shall get into the details, mon amis. Please bear with me. I hope you guys have been well. I hope you guys have been beautiful. I hope you've been looking after yourselves. Yeah, let's get into it, guys. Okay, guys, as you can see, there's my waist. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. Oops. Let's do this properly, guys. Let's do this properly, shall we? Amateur season. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 buttons. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buttons going up, and we have 1 popper at the bottom just there. So really 5 but 4. And let me show you the buttons. The buttons are burnished in steel in this silver hue, and it has Stone Island burnished in steel, as you can see on the old batonage. Guys, super nice. As you can see, like I said, comes to my waist. Let's look at the cuffages. Now, as I've mentioned in previous videos, once you get these sort of vintagey pieces, sometimes they're a bit boxy, and you might see that the cuffages, or the sleeve I should say, is a bit short. As you can see, Equilibrium saying beautiful thing. There's the sleeve length, and there's my actual wrist. But again, you know, it's a vintage piece. You put something underneath, you're good to go. Okay, guys. As you can see, look at that. You have a pocket there, good enough to put a few bars of gold and a few coins of silver. Nothing too crazy. Eagle-eyed amongst you will notice the compass stitched right there. Beautifully placed. Gotta love that. Cool. Let's step back. Guys, I showed you the cuffages, but did I show you the elbows? Oh my God, look at that. Patina, look at that dye. That's natural fade-in selection right there. You see that? So these jackets, guys, these are like Stone Island carpenter work jackets, shall we say. They normally came, or they initially came with these rubber panels on the arm that would say Stone Island. I will show you here. Normally came with those. And here's a look at a version without the fade right here. Boom. Super nice, as you can see. All right, guys. As you can see, beautiful fade. So these would have had the rubber panel on initially, and then the fading would have happened, and then sometime after that rubber panel would have been taken off, and that left that nice sort of differential between the two colors. Super nice denim. Just giving you a little twirlage. Of course, you see the colors. Let me put my hood up. You see the colors right there. And there's a additional button which makes 5. That's sank. Additional button, and that goes all the way up, and as you can see, now you can see, button up, fastens down, super smart, very nice. What else do we have? We have left hand side, right hand side, pocket, not fastened down by anything, sort of envelope lid, hand in your pocket, walking down the street with your hands in the skyrocket. Not bad, but not the most comfortable because of the way they are placed. If they were more that way, you'd be good, but because they're that way, no. Nice pockets. You can put a pair of skis in this one. You can definitely put a canoe in this one, and if you want to go canoe skiing, voila, it's a new sport. You've got it. Beautiful. Let me give you the turn around once again. As you can see, guys, the denim fade is beautiful. The denim fade is gorgeous. It's super nice. It's just picking up different years of fade, and mwah. This jacket is actually from, I think it might be 89, might be 87, something like that. Super nice piece. Yeah, really love it. Now, eagle eye amongst you, like I said, It's a vintage piece, so you see the green edge badge right there. You know what I'm saying? Again, you have these steel buttons, not your plastic ones, burnished in steel, Stone Island on the old grill. Super nice, super nice. Guys, not much more to say then, other than I do like a nice little bit of vintage, a nice little green edge. You can't really go wrong. Guys, let me know your thoughts on this piece, man. We all need a denim jacket in our lives. It doesn't have to be a stony one, but just so happens that I do have a stony one, so very nice. Guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. This has been a Stone Island vintage denim work / carpenter jacket, shall we call it. And I've been your host, P Fire, aka P is for patina. Look it up, guys, look it up. And this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Guys, as always, thank you for watching, thank you for your time, thank you for commenting, thank you for your love, thank you for your kindness, and thank you just for being you. Guys, stay dope, stay fly, and I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. This has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. Peace.